45 minutes. Hey guys, we got a personal break for Mr. Paris. She's doing box 4 of Optic. We only have a few boxes left of this stuff on the site, guys. If you want one, grab them now. They're going to be gone in probably 10 minutes. Maybe 15, if you're lucky. Alright, let's get these out. You're going to see me go through these a little quicker. When there's nobody in the queue, I don't mind taking our time, but people in the queue, I'll go a little quicker. Just a little. Alright, packs. Doesn't matter what stack you're in. Come on, work with me here. Man. Did we lose again, Greg? I plan to watch it late night while I'm doing scanning and stuff, but I don't really care. Losing the first game of that series, I think, killed our season. Losing 14 innings, team you have to beat. Suppose if we take 2 of 3 or 3 of 4, we might have a shot. Hit me with the score. This is the X-Files, Lizzie. It is. Alright, first stack. 5-1 Red Sox. Yeah, we're done. We're done. Double digits out of first. We're 6 out of the wild card now. We're probably done. Alright, 2 low Diamond Kings, and we got a JD out of 199. JD out of 199. Doll Rookie. There's a Pujols Prism. Rated Rookie Tapia. Auto. Nice card. On card. Ramel. Rated Rookie Black Ink. Kind of missed the sweet spot. Kinda. Very nice, though. Ramel Rated Rookie. Votto DK, Xander, Alberto Mejia, Prism, sorry. Mancini Blue out of 149. Alfaro, Myers Prism. David Paulino, that's an orange 199. Giolito, Cespedes, Yelich DK. We might have another refractor hotbox here. Fulmer 199, that is 4 numbered cards in 4 packs. I think we got another hot box. I don't mind, Greg. I love the Jays, but honestly, we're a miserable team to watch this year. And I've watched some miserable Jays teams, but we're pretty miserable. All the talent in the world on our team. Guys just don't look like they like each other. That being said, we're still one of those teams that could rally off 10, 15 wins in a row if our bats got hot. Short print MVP card in that last stack. Thank you, Greg. Pepperdew. Short print MVP card. Oh. Trout. That's awesome. That's really cool. It says Prism on the back, so obviously the MVP Prism, perhaps. SP. That's a nice Trout. Mike! Value. I'll put it in the SP stack so you don't forget. And these we already went through. Alright, rest of this stack. I think we definitely have that refractor box here. Moncada. Yep, Kirby Puckett numbered. 99 on the Puckett. That looks red. Puckett. Renfro, Morales, Ahmed. Lindor red out of a 99. Fowler DK, Markakis orange, 199. Healy, Naquin, Kutch Ruby. That is 99 on the Kutch. Second auto, Ryan Healy. So Raimel Tapia and Ryan Healy. And a whole bunch of numbered cards. Seager, Belt, Shipley. Another orange, Sierra, 199 for the Cardinals. Arcia rated rookie. 2 stacks left. So for anybody keeping score, that's 2 hot boxes in the case. Both were refractor hot boxes. And the best auto out of the case is a Benintendi 83 Carolina Blue. Which is just awesome. Melissa, you did not in this sub, no? I think you guys might have had some stuff in the 20-day sub, the long-term one. which is still a couple months away. But nothing in the 10-day, no. We'll get this last stack. Looks like a gold on the bottom there. No problem. Are you guys coming to the National, Melissa? Please tell me you're coming up, at least for Friday night. Just a short drive from Cleveland. Not too bad of a drive. Alright, we got Pedroia. Trout DK and a rated rookie Teoscar Blue. What's the number on that? 149. There we go. Arroyo Kershaw Goldie. Javi Baez. Teal. 299. Javier. DK's Villar. That looked a little different, but it's not numbered. JD. Rated rookie Reyes. Yachty. Numbered 50. Now, what the hell is that color? Is that a red, white, and blue prism on the Yachty A? Red, white, and blue? That's what it looks like. 15 out of 50. Somebody give me that number, or that parallel. So I know. Paulino. We got Lindy. Beautiful card. Lindy Prism. I'm going to guess that's not a red, white, and blue. Oh, no, you can't make it? Damn it. Not even for one night to meet the crew? Chris Carter out of 50. Second one in a row. What do we got? Maybe that's Carolina Blue? Aha! Ron, I said it right before you typed it. I used my wiles, figured it out. Carolina Blue. Yachty and Chris Carter. That's cool. Alright, Trumbo DK. Sandberg. Here's the one that I thought was gold coming up. Underneath another Yachty. $2.99. And it's not gold, it's just Polanco. Just Polanco, Diamond Kings. Last pack. We got Odor Prism. The rookies Arcia. Edwin Orange for the Indians, $1.99. Murphy, Goldie. There's a Judge Prism. Second one of those in the case. Judge rated rookie. I know the auto's probably worth more than him. Arcia out of 50, Carolina Blue. Just screw Carolina Blue. Screw that color. Cecchini, Kershaw, Prism, Dozier, Renfro, Orange. That is out of $1.99, Renfro. Ah, well, enjoy your trip, Melissa. You will be missed. Melissa's, I should say. Freeman, DK, Rymel. Out of $1.99. Hopefully next year. Remember, it's always the last weekend of July, first weekend of August. Although this year it's actually the first or last weekend in July, not the first weekend in August. So Rymel Orange and your last numbered card. Semien, you've got a Trout Elite Series. Brandon Belt, Prism out of $2.99. Sky Blue, Teal. Just kidding, Teal. Pretty damn good box. 3 Carolina Blues, I think. Another Judge Prism. I think you got one in your first box, too. So where are you guys going, Melissa? Someplace nice and warm? Oh, snap! Next year it's back in Cleveland. Melissa's. You will be there. We've actually had some of our best nationals in Cleveland, to be honest. Okay, Parrish. Let me label these. Kim, you are up a